So today we have the GKU D200 user manual. It does come with 2 adhesion peel-offs, so you can stick onto your dash so it can have better adhesion. Of course, the cable itself that connects to your cigarette lighter. A trim tool, just in case you want to tuck it in. Adhesion to stick your mount onto the dash, and the camera itself. It already has one included, so no need. This is just an extra one, just in case you switch vehicles. You have an extra one. Here it is. So here I have the dash cam behind the mirror. That way I won't be able to see it from my end. I did hook it up to my cigarette lighter, and it is wrapped into the trim. I'm sorry, it's pushed into the trim. Not able to see it anywhere. So here's the app. You can connect via Wi-Fi, but for demonstration purposes, let me show you around the app. Here we have the camera settings. You could have sound recording, speaker volume, video resolution, loop record options, and many more settings. Of course, it has the Wi-Fi name, and you could always change the Wi-Fi password, format it. It does come with a 60 gigabyte SD card, or micro SD card I should say, so that's good.
Start recording.
And if you want to check out the camera files, you just go here.
Stop recording.
And it'll show you all.